Good day everyone. As promised, pag-usapan naman natin ngayon ang summary of minimum requirements para makapag-load tayo ng isang product o chemical sa ating barko. Ang Chapter 17 po ng IBC Code ay madaling matutunan dahil very user-friendly ang pagkakagawa nito. Sa chapter po na to, meron tayong coded letters na kung saan ay malalaman natin kung ano ang nire-required ng IBC code sa barko natin. Paki-follow lang po yung explanation natin sa presentations para at least meron kayong idea kung paano ito susundan. Most of chemical tanker ships generally are type 2 and 3 ships which are suitable to transport most of the chemicals in the market. And ships construction of this type 2 and 3 are compliant to International Bulk Carrier Code. Column alpha or A denotes product name as listed in IBC code and list of cargo and vessels certificate of fitness. Wala pong Bravo. Charlie denotes pollution category, the X, Y, and Z, and other cargos. Column D or Delta, hazards like pollution and safety hazard. Okay, gentlemen and ladies, let's try to summarize cargo pamulin if it is feasible to load in our chemical tanker 2, 3 type of ships. Makikita po ninyo ang requirement dyan sa taas. And as far as my professional knowledge is concerned, pwede po natin siyang ikarga doon sa ating type 2 and 3 ships. Sa susunod po, discuss natin para maliwanag yung category ng bawat kargada at ano ang kalagayan nito sa ating pagdi-discharge ng washings natin. Maraming pong salamat. God bless us all.